What if I said you can make women subconsciously like you just by using a few psychological tricks in manipulating a woman's mind in wanting you more and more? We can make it happen in the easiest way possible. Some traits may be involving the woman you like, and some might not even need that girl. These tricks are so strong in making her thoughts change rapidly. Women can't resist the temptation of thinking about you. This is how powerful they are. So today in this video, you're gonna know exactly that. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. Number 1. Having a mentality of multiple options. What does that even mean? This trait is really very important for any man. Men with such ideology are really very attractive. This is what women love. When you adapt to an attitude of I have got a lot more options to go for and I can't stick to just one woman if she isn't interested in me. When you have this mindset, that woman who is not showing signs of interest for you is also gonna fall for you. Yes, trust me. Because women don't fall after desperate men who are always available and feel like she is the only one for them. And that is a real fact. When you have the ability to walk away just because you have got a lot more options than just her, she is gonna feel the difference for you from the rest. And this is a very high quality trait that bad boys have. Just try this out and trust me, it's gonna work like crazy. Number 2. Chase yourself. What? You might think I'm out of my mind. What does chase yourself even mean? Well, let me explain. Chasing yourself means giving priority to yourself first. When you put in efforts to develop your skills and personality, women find it really attractive and hot. When you have got the best person inside you, then automatically others start loving you. You should firstly give utmost priority and love for yourself. That's a real deal breaker. Just make this a habit and you will see how people start respecting you a lot more than usual. Start making the real difference in you. So that's it for today's video, guys. With that being said, thank you for watching.